Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about this gorgeous afro that you can achieve in 5 minutes. It's a really quick and simple hair tutorial, so we're just going to jump right in. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also thumbs up this video for more hair tutorials. So we could easily begin this style on our natural hair and just use our hair for this afro, but not today, girl, not today. We're gonna put all our hair away so that we can go ahead and focus on the style. What I did was went ahead and put my hair into 2 giant braids. It doesn't matter how many braids you do, you can definitely do more, but this afro is gonna be so huge, it really does not matter how many braids you do. So I'm just gonna tuck those braids away in a stocking cap. Before I do any styles with units, I always tuck my hair away. This helps your hair to lay flat and help your style to look a lot neater. And as you guys can see, I left some hair out in the front. You guys will see why I left that out in a minute. So the star of today's show is this unit right here. This is my Ebony Crochet Unit. This is the second unit in my collection. I'm going to have a video dedicated to all my wigs in my collection coming up soon, so you guys should look out for that. But this is just basically a kinky fro. It's a full wig. I'm going to actually use it like a 3/4 or a half wig today. So what I'm doing is just trying to decide where I want my part to be before I go ahead and settle the hair. Now I'm going to take my hair in the front down, and you guys are going to see why in a little bit. But before I go ahead and get the hair to settle, I'm just going to take my hair out and position the wig exactly where I want it to be and get it to be aligned with my own hair. I'm just going to go ahead and comb through the unit. The more you comb this, the bigger the fro gets, and today I want a really huge fro, so I'm just going to comb it out a little bit. Now I'm taking some hairpins and I'm going to grab some of my hair as well as some of the hair from the unit and twist it back and pin it down. This is going to secure the wig to my head because I was wearing it out and I wanted it to be very secure just in case the wind blew. And this is also going to help the front to be a lot more discreet. So you can leave some of your hair out as well as you don't have to, but basically as I'm pinning, I'm kind of fluffing the hair and just shaping it to frame my face. I also did go ahead and put some of those hairpins in the back as well. So after fluffing a little bit, this is how it looks. Very quick and very simple. It's just a very effortless style and an easy way to do protective styling without bothering your own hair too much. So if you guys want the details, all the details on this unit as well as the other units that I have will be available in the description bar below. I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated, so don't forget to follow my Instagram for all the updates on my wig collection. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.